Hi Marpos3. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your Google Classroom, and I'm going to show you how you can turn in assignments as well. Okay, so first thing is, start from a new tab like this. Don't go to your email and access it through your Gmail. Okay, so on this one, we go up to the top right hand corner and we click on the Google Apps icon. And then you can see I get all of those choices there, and I want to go for my yellow and green rectangle Google Classroom. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. That's going to take me to all my Google Classrooms. Now, I've got a fake learner account at the moment. I've just created one so I can share this with you, but you'll probably have a few other classrooms there that you're part of. So I'm going to click on the Literacy 6v1, and it's going to take me to this page. Now, you've got at the top here, you've got Stream, Classwork, and People. You want to go to Classwork, where it's going to show you all of the assignments that your LF has posted there. So if I scroll down to the bottom, you can see that's where we've got our spellings. We've put it under subheadings to make it a bit more easier to sort of find what you're looking for and to be a bit more organized. We've got explanations, we've got home learning from learning block 3, week 3, and then where we are at the moment, which is home learning, learning block 3, week 5. So let's say that it's Tuesday and I want to hand in my assignment. So I expand the box, and then if you click View Assignment. Okay, so it's got the slides there and the instructions for what to do. And then what Miss Mangala and I have been doing, we've been creating templates to make it a little bit easier for you. So straight away, Google Classroom has already created my learning just there. So I can choose between my beginning and my developing or mastering letter, and I'm going to go for my beginning one. So straight away it's going to open it up, and it's got my name at the top, so when the LFs are marking this, it's nice and easy for us to see whose learning it is. So I've already put my first sentence in already. I'm writing to you because I believe strongly that we should get a school pet shark. Now let's imagine that I'm finished my assignment now. I can turn it in 2 ways. I can do it straight from here, where if we look at the top here, can you see it says turn in? So rather than sharing it with your LF, we want to be turning it in, because then it's in the Google Classroom. So I'm just going to click turn in, and it's going to take me to this page, and it's going to ask me if I want to definitely do that. So do I want to do it? Yes, I'm going to turn that in. Okay, now up here, you can see that that has gone from before it said assigned to turn in. If it says assigned, that means that you haven't shared it with your LF yet. So that assigned means we've set you a task to do, and turned in means that you have sent it back to us completed. Okay, now let's imagine that I turned it in and then went, oh no, I completely forgot to do part of the activity. I want to change something. Down here it says unsubmit. So I can bring it back now. I can get it back so I can do a bit more on it. I just need to click unsubmit. It just double checks that I want to do that. So yes, I'm going to unsubmit. And then my learning is back, and I can go back to it and do some editing if I want to. Okay, so you can see now it's gone back to assigned, and I've still got that button there. I can click turn in. So that shows me that I've got my learning, not the LF. Okay, now if we've given you an assignment, so because quite often we ask you to maybe take a photo, particularly if you've done some learning on a piece of paper, you can also add that to it. So let's say for today's learning, I'd done my own letter in Google Drive. I can also use this tab to attach that. So it says add or create. So I'm going to click that, and you're attaching a file, because my piece of writing or my photo, those are going to be files. So I'm going to click on that, and here you get recent, upload, my drive, or starred. And if you click on recent, that's the most helpful one, because it will show you all the most recent things that you've been working on your Google Drive. So if you've just uploaded a photo, it will be there. If you've just done a document, so that's my last document there, and then this is actually the one I want to share. So I'm going to click on that. You can see that this is the one it's selected because of the blue box around it, and it tells me at the bottom I've selected one document. So now I'm going to insert that. Okay, insert. So now I can see that I've got those 3 documents there to be turned in. So then once I've attached it, I can see it's there. I can click turn in again. Okay, and oh, didn't mean to click that, sorry. And I'm just going to click turn in, and that's all submitted now for the learning facilitator. Okay, if you've got any more questions, please speak to Ms. Mangala or myself, and we can help you out with that. But this is how you would do it on a laptop or on a PC. Okay, guys, thank you very much.